Hi guys, I was wondering if somebody could give me a hand. I've got a Scion XB. I replaced the key in it because I lost the key, and we thought it was chipped. I got it started. It ran for 45 minutes. I turned it off, and it won't turn back on now. I replaced the battery, and it still won't turn back on. Checked the starter, and it seems to be fine. Just wondering if anybody had any ideas. Uh, if so, you drop a link in the video or shoot me back on Messenger on YouTube. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. You guys have a good day.